10 Creative Vegetable Garden Ideas. Some vegetables, like rainbow Swiss chard, are too beautiful to be confined to the vegetable garden. Show them off by making them focal points in your garden. There is no gardening rule that says hanging baskets have to be flowers. Most vegetables will work in hanging planters, too. You may even get a better yield, due in part to the heat that is being reflected back off the wall. Sometimes you have to think outside of the garden. Many vegetables make attractive bedding plants, especially if they are quick growers and frequently harvested, like lettuce and other salad greens. A shady spot under a tree is the perfect spot for them. Or you could try a row of something like carrots on the edge around a sunny border. Many gardeners know that old, discarded pallets make great compost bins. They also make great vertical gardens. Staple some landscape fabric to the inside of the front of your pallet and the outside of the rear. Fill the whole thing with some good potting soil. Then turn the pallet on its side and make slits where you want to insert your plants. If you are going to be hanging your pallet garden, make sure you have sturdy hooks, because all that soil and wood will make it very heavy. A simple crate is all you need to plant a salad garden that will feed you for weeks. This is a variation on a raised bed garden, but since it's self-contained, it's portable. It may be too heavy to lift when full, but if you put wheels on it, you could move it to wherever the sun decides to shine. If you have shelves, you have a garden, and a nice-looking one at that. You do not need to buy special hangers or spend the weekend digging out a spot in the yard. All you need is a set of shelves and some containers. A lot of times raised beds are only a few inches off the ground. While that does provide benefits to the plants, like improved drainage and warming the soil earlier in the spring, you can give the gardener another benefit if you raise the bed even higher, less bending. The term garden room usually refers to a secluded spot in the garden. But gardening in a greenhouse will not only provide fresh vegetables year-round, but you can also pull up a chair and literally watch the plants grow. If you are drawn towards sustainability, look into creating a permaculture garden. This type of garden tries to duplicate the layering found in natural systems and forests. There are upper-story trees, climbers, perennial vegetables, root crops, and self-sowers that intermingle, creating your own personal foraging garden. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.